What do you mean?
Hoes.
What is good, Editors XL? Today I'm going to be showing you how you can edit like TGF, just showing a little preview. That preview showed you text, it showed you shotgun transition, and also a little bit of how to blend the music, and also showed you the like VHS kind of look and feel. So if you're interested and you want to learn how to do it, you know what to do, stick around in the video. This is a new channel, so I'd appreciate if you check out our other videos, and if there's any YouTubers you want us to study their editing style, please let us know in the comments, and also let us know what you think of the channel, as it is new and it'd be nice to hear. But anyway, let's get straight into it and make sure you subscribe too. Okay, so the first thing you guys want to do is add the transform effect onto the text. Once you've done that, you want to add a keyframe on at the start of the clip, which is 100, one in the middle, which is 112, and then one on the right, which is 100, to make it give a bump effect. Then you want to go to its color, put it at FFD 122. Okay, so that's how they do the text effect. We're going to move on to the VHS effect. I'd just like to add, you can add shadows and change it to be a bit darker or lighter, depending on the lighting, because you don't want the lighting to like kind of blending with the text. So make sure you make things lighter and darker depending on where you're recording, but that's up to you. Let's move on to the next effect, which is going to be the VHS with the shotgun sound effect and also with transitioning the sound in. So let's do it. The last effect, which is a big one, but has like 3 mixed into one. Okay, so the first thing I recommend doing is getting your sounds. So first get your song that you're going to use. I use that hooligan one, but you can use what you want, and also get your shotgun kind of reload noise, which I got from Instant Buttons. The way you get these is totally up to you. Just choose something good and clear, and something you like, obviously. Don't choose something that's just not relevant to what you're trying to mimic. After you've got your sound effects and music and what you need, so the shotgun sound effect and plus the music, you want to add your clip onto the player. Make sure you scale it up to the right size. Now the first thing you guys want to do is get an adjustment layer, which you can find in the bottom left. Next you want to add crop, and then add that on top of the adjustment layer, not onto the clip, and put that up 13% on the left and the right, and that gives it that 1990s sort of feel. After this, I added my shotgun sound effect, or my reload mainly. So mainly you want to put the ch-ch at the start, and you can have a shotgun at the end, a big bang at the end, but it's up to you. But I made it so it went ch-ch, and then it started the song. But you can add that in now or later or after, it's up to you, but I did this now. Next, you want to add the warp effect onto the adjustment layer, not the clip. I went wrong and I put it onto the clip and it didn't look right because of this. Make sure you put it onto the adjustment layer. Wave warp, adjustment layer. Next, you want to go to the settings of the wave warp, and you want to add make wave type square, wave height 10, wave width 681, direction 0, and wave speed 3 to 2. It's up to you, but you can pick. The next thing you want to do is add your text in. Make it whatever you want, it's up to you. The text settings are, the font is Microsoft Himalaya, which is free, so you can just find that, and it's just a black stroke, which is 2. It doesn't have to be anything mad, but it's just a black stroke, and it's very simple. Then you want to put the adjustment layer above it, depending if you want it to pop out or synchronize with the text. It's up to you, but I put mine, my adjustment layer above it, so it becomes like the video instead of it popping out. And then you want to add some noise on top of the adjustment layer to add that graininess to it, to make it more like even more VHS-y. You can depend in. I had the variable at 38%, but the higher, the more grainy. So it depends how grainy you want it to be. I then duplicated the text, put it above, and then just made it red. Just added a little flair to it. You can add an extra bit of text, depends on what you're doing, obviously, but make it red, the second piece of text, just to make it pop out a bit more, and it's more of that VHS TGF style, which is awesome. Oh, okay, so there's one more thing to do, which is synchronizing the gunshot with the music along with the VHS screen you've just made, or the video you've just made. We got to add the music to it, so let's do it. The way you want to do this, you just want to move the shotgun reloading. You want to make it ch-ch, and then on the last ch, it starts, or it just fades in. So it's like, it depends on how quick you want it to come in, but just make sure there's ch, if that makes sense. It has to be quite quick and snappy, so you can just hear it the second click, and then it starts. Then all you want to do is find some music that has a big bass drop in it, and you want to cut it just when it gets, you know, to the part where it's full bass and nothing else. And then it pretty much comes together pretty nicely. You want to snap it up, and then maybe you want to overlay it like I'm about to do in the outro. If you wait to the end of the video, I'll show you what I mean. Alright, that is it. That's pretty much how I've replicated that effect. If this was helpful, please let me know. This is one of my first tutorials on the channel for XL editors. So yeah, that's pretty much it. If you enjoyed, subscribe. Let me know what other content creators you want me to try and find the style of. And I'll see you all in a bit. Let me know what you think.